special guest in the building. Goes by the name of King Flexer. What's up, Guan? King Flexer.
You never get it right. You never get it right.
Yeah, because
Wagwan.
Yeah, because I'm not Jamaican. It's about King Flexer. Who is King Flexer? What does King Flexer do? You know, how long you been doing it?
All right.
Where are you from?
All right. Well, to start out, I'm from Brooklyn, New York. Shout out to my
Alright.
man Lito. I see him over there.
All right.
We rep that Canarsie. Yeah, I'm the massive host. I definitely MC. Literally, I move crowds.
Alright.
I've been doing it since 2005. My freshman year at Morgan. Shout out to Morgan State University.
True.
You know, the alma mater. You feel me? So what's next? What's next?
What do you do?
I'm a host.
All right.
I'm a host.
Hold on. You say you move crowds, and you say that's the true definition of MC.
Yeah.
And a lot of rapping dudes now, they don't understand that.
Mm-hmm.
They supposed to be MCs and move the crowd,
Okay.
right? Like, I mean, expound upon that. How do you feel about that?
As far as rappers,
Yeah.
it's all about their niche. They gotta find that energy that they could connect with the crowd that they're trying to entertain. So, just more power to all the people trying to do their thing and move crowds, but not everybody could do it.
So, tell us about the first time you got on the mic to MC a party.
Oh man, that was that might have been, if I remember correctly, Club Mate. I missed that place.
I love
Yeah.
that.
Oh yeah,
club.
Mate.
That's
Remember
my
that
favorite
shit.
club
Remember
ever.
that?
Mate was
Favorite club
popping.
ever.
Used to promote him.
Favorite.
Mate was heavy.
No, it was.
DJ P Drama was DJing. Shout out to P Drama. And I went up there. The mic was just sitting there, and I just said, let me go yap for a little bit to the people. I never had no aspirations of doing it, but my personality definitely drove me to picking up the mic and start talking to the people. And before you know it, I started to notice that I just started grabbing the mic a little bit more and more. Feedback was getting real good, so I just pursued it in way just to make some clarity. The Flexettes was motivated by the Morganettes because I love you guys. How you guys do y'all thing.
It's a lot of
I'm a big
starry
fan of
connections
y'all, so-
around this motherfucker.
Shut up.
No, I'm
yo.
a big fan of y'all, so I just came up with it, and my
The
mind
Flexette.
is always working. So
So what do the flex sets do for you?
well, no, there's no specific Flexettes. That was just an idea.
Or to you.
That was just an idea. It's still coming soon. As if you check it on the website, it's still coming soon.
So
Or are they
what's
coming
the crazy?
soon?
What's the? So what did a flex set like? What's the craziest thing a flex set has ever done?
Oh, and in regards to
get your
Flexette,
atten-
are you
yeah,
talking
to get
about
your
quote unquote groupie?
Yeah.
The craziest thing that they've done.
So many.
The thoughts are racing faster than Usain Bolt in my head right now.
So give me the top 5 because I feel like you have.
Yeah.
To get my attention, just straight up in the booth, get my attention. It was at one event in Miami, Memorial Weekend last year, and a young lady definitely she felt like we was in New Orleans because she definitely flashed
She flashed
right,
Wow.
right at the booth,
As if you were the only one.
as
there.
if I was the only ones there.
Okay.
She wanted me to make her feel like she was the only girl in the world, like Rihanna.
Wow.
I can't take the smoke.